What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and earn money if you are looking for to earn money from affiliate marketing. So there's an amazing way that you can go and share just the link. So if people go from your link and buy something, you are going to get some percentage according to the product. It is going to be decided what kind of a percentage amount you are going to get by earning as an affiliate marketing advisor. So for that you need to go and do something like, if you have a blog post, if you go and do some website, if you share your YouTube videos, and if you feature any product, clothing or any devices, you can go and share the affiliate link from Amazon. So Amazon is like on top of them, so everyone look forward for Amazon. There is also Flipkart, so on and so forth, but I will look forward for Amazon. So you just have to go and log into your Amazon account. After you have logged in, just go up down below and become an affiliate. So click on that, become an affiliate. It is going to go and ask you that do you want to go and log in. After that you have to go and see that this is the website I have already signed up. So I'm just going to go and type for Curve Monitor, browse for product, quick link for search of products. So I'm just going to click on go. I'm going to go, and this is the device which I use to record. So this is the link which I look forward for because I use this Samsung monitor. So I'm just going to go and click on get link. Now it is going to be product search, select the product, customers, and get link. So I'm going to go and click on text only. After that I'm going to go and get this link. I'll get the link, just go and click on short link, copy this one, and if I go and open up incognito mode and paste my link and search that my product opens on that or not. So this is the link which I get, and this is going to be my affiliate link, and whenever people just go and click on it, it is going to directly lead that person to this Amazon, and that's how I can go and get some cash out of it. It all depends of how much I'm going to go and earn from it. So if you want, you can go and use the image link, or you can go with text only, text and image. So all the links are like that. Just go and copy from short link, just go inside the description of your video, or if you have any website, just go and paste that link, short link, and that's about it. That's how you can go and share your link, and that's how you can go and get some cash by sharing the link of whatever the products you are looking for and selling that one online. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.